So it's coming up, y'all, close to a year now that the Galaxy Watch 4 came out, and the question that everybody want to know right now is when the hell is the Galaxy Watch 5 coming out, right? Like, what is it going to look like? What size is it going to come in? What will be the colors? And all of the details around that, right? Well, guys, you come to the right place in the right video because we're going to be breaking all of that down right now. But first, real quick, shout out to all of y'all, man, for running on my last video. Let's shoot for this video for about 1,000 likes on this video. And if we get it, I got something for y'all, man. Now, if you guys are OG squad of the family, man, you already know, comment down below how many likes is on this video. But if you guys are new here, then I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna bring y'all in. All I want you guys to do right now is comment how many likes is on this video at the time that you guys are watching it, so that way we can run this video up, as well as go ahead and watch every single ad on this video, because the more ads you guys watch, the more I'll be able to continue doing these videos for y'all. So, you know, appreciate y'all support. All right, so first up, with the rumors about the Galaxy Watch 5, I want to talk about the release date. Right now, it's been rumored that the Galaxy Watch 5 as well as the Watch 5 Pro will be announced and showed off on August 10th, I believe, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 4 as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And yeah, you heard that right. There will be a Watch 5 Pro model coming as well, but more on that a little later in this video, so make sure y'all keep watching. But rumors are leaning more towards pre-order starting on the 10th of August as well as available in stores around August 26th. So we legit, y'all, are like about 2 months away from new watches coming out, which I'm super hyped for. Now, when it comes to the sizes, let's go ahead and break this down real quick as well, starting with the Watch 5. Now, this is going to come in a 40mm and supposedly a 44mm, and the Watch 5 Pro is rumored to only be in a 46mm size. Now, I'm sure there's reasons to this, and one we're going to touch on a little later in this video, so definitely make sure you guys keep watching. Now, when it comes to the colors, right, it is rumored that the Watch 5 in the 40mm will come in Phantom Black, a pink gold, as well as silver. And the 44mm version is going to come in Phantom Black, silver, and they're supposedly be coming out with these new sapphire colors, which I'm really interested to see what those colors are going to look like. But yeah, we gonna get some new colors. Now, when it comes to the 46mm Watch 5 Pro model, is rumored to only come in Phantom Black and silver, which is kind of a letdown because I was expecting maybe a little bit more, maybe come with these sapphire colors and bring it to the Watch 5 Pro. But again, these are all rumors, so you know, who knows? Now let's go ahead and talk about the Watch 5 Pro specs for a little bit here. Now, one of the biggest things that I'm hearing in these test streets is that the Watch 5 Pro will have a larger battery that we've been waiting for, being literally 60% bigger than the Watch 4, because we all know with the Watch 4 battery, it started off solid, lasting literally me like a couple days, then all of a sudden, like, it just started to get really bad because they started pushing out all these updates, and I just feel like you pair that with the Facer app, then it's just like, it's, you know, you barely getting like a day on this watch at all. Now, it's literally to the point where now I have to charge this watch like somewhat closer to midday before I'm even like depleting the full battery on this watch. So, you know, anytime we can get more battery life, hey, I'm all for it. Now, it is rumored that the Pro model will be built with like way more expensive materials than the standard 5 Pro model. Now, what those high-end materials are gonna be, I don't know. They're still yet to be determined, but make sure you guys get this video right here to 1,000 likes, and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so that way you guys don't miss out on nothing. And also make sure you guys turn on that notification going, man, because I want to bring y'all along. But let's go ahead and keep this thing going. Now, also on the Pro model, it is rumored to have sapphire glass that's going to help with protecting this Super AMOLED display that's going to be on the watch. Now, how good will this work? It's still yet to be determined, but y'all already know I have y'all covered here on the channel when it comes to screen protectors and other accessories. So definitely make sure you guys keep watching and be subscribed to the channel. Turn on those notifications because I'm going to be letting y'all know exactly what you need to buy when the Watch 5 comes out, because I don't want to see y'all walking around here with no cracked screens, because, you know, we don't do that over here. Now, when it comes to the Watch 5, we can also expect that it's going to be like the Watch 4. It's going to be clean like that Movado vibe, which I like, with no rotating bezels and a flat display. Now, it may actually be slightly bigger battery in it to give it kind of a slight edge improvement over the Watch 4. Since we now also have Google Assistant built in native to the Watch 4, finally, we can also expect that that's going to be in both of these models right from day one, which is how it should have been from jump on the Watch 4. But, you know, that's a whole nother story for another day. Now, another thing I want to talk about that I haven't really heard that much about, but I want to talk about it in this video, and that's from the health side of things, and that is getting blood pressure monitoring. Now, this is something, y'all, I feel like will be a major win if we can get that on these watches here. Now, maybe they only put it on the Pro model to give it like that extra little edge, but I think if they did that, I personally think it would be kind of whack, since like this is a feature that we've been waiting a while to be on these watches. But it would definitely make me get the Pro over the regular version if that's something that they did. But real talk, even without it, like I'll still most likely be getting the Pro model anyway, but you know, just because I'm just a fan of tech. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is how much will this watch actually set us back in money, ducats, shillings, skrilla, all of that. Now, I'm personally going to imagine that the Watch 5 model will range anywhere between $250 to $280, depending on the size that you guys get, whether it's a 40 or a 44 millimeter. Now, when it comes to the Pro model, then we're talking about higher end materials, bigger battery life, and just a larger overall watch. I'm gonna make my prediction that this watch is gonna be anywhere around $300 to $350, but y'all already know I'm gonna be picking up both of these and just scooping them up in all colors, so that way you guys are gonna be able to see them right here on the channel and just make the best decision possible. See y'all in the next one, squad.